Hi besties, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make roasted potatoes, plantains and veggies. Now in this recipe you're not going to have any issues because it's so easy to make, yeah, and it's healthy. So guys, let's get started. You need a bowl, mix your spices in it. I'll be dropping all the spices I used to make mine, and if you don't want to use my recipe, it's not compulsory guys. Yes, you can feel free to use your own favorite spices, yeah. So mix them up, give it a good mix, yes, because if you don't mix them up they're going to be separate or apart. Now go ahead and cut your potato, plantain. You can use yam. Yes, you heard me. Yam is good. You can use sweet potatoes, Irish potatoes. For me, I use Irish potatoes and plantain. Now this is my carrot. I cut carrots. Do you know you can roast watermelon? Hey, I'm about to try that though, but let's do carrots for now. Yeah, so I roasted that carrot. Let me show you how. Now I cut my plantain, first peel it off. I washed it guys before now I washed it, to keep everything clean and neat, yeah. So washed it properly, and you can decide not to cut it. Yes, this is so flexible guys. And you know what? This is easy because you're just going to put this right in your oven. If you don't have an oven, you can use air fryer. Yes, you heard me. You can put it in your air fryer and you just leave it there to cook and roast properly. So guys, this is so I don't know what to say, but for me it's very easy to just make this even when you're tired from a hectic day of work or you had a very busy day. You can just quickly do this, put this in your oven, put it in your air fryer, and your family have something to eat. My family love this so much, and they were like, Mom, you need to make this every day. So guys, you're going to mix all the spices up, rub it around your plantain, potatoes. Now I want to fry tomatoes, but this is optional. If you don't need a sauce, you don't have to do this. Now this is the sauce. I blended tomatoes and pepper here and onion, and I'm going to fry it. I have to sieve it to just take out a little water before frying, making the frying time shorter, and that's just the way I wanted to do it today, and it really helped. Frying it was easier, and you didn't spend too much time on heat. Now this is the next thing you're done. I put this in the oven, and this particular day I set my oven for 1 hour at 420 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes, so but I had to change the pan. Yes, I had to change the pan because this particular pan, everything was clustered. I had to put it in an open pan. Here, guess what? I was taking a break. I had to take enough water, okay, for the day. This is my pepper sauce, doing so well, smiling and saying hello to my new subscribers. Thanks for joining. And if you're old, you've been here with me, the OGs, you're the OOers. Thanks so much for always coming by. I love you so much, and I don't know how to say thank you. So I checked the potatoes. I need to put this back for a few minutes, and went back to my table, chopped my spring onions as usual. It's something you will love to add to this recipe. So, but you can use parsley, you can use whatever veggies that I just wanted to add more veggies to it, and that wasn't. At this point, everything was set. I had some few chicken in the fridge. I had to bring them out, more protein, guys. So I had to bring them out, roast it together, and here we're dishing out our elegant, awesome, super amazing delicacy. This is it. Roasted perfectly on the outside, well cooked on the inside. Plantain is giving 10 over 10. Guys, let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.